Are you ready to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality? Our course, Build a Dream, Start a Business 101, provides you with a comprehensive roadmap for starting and running a small business, covering everything from business concepts to securing funding, sourcing vendors, negotiating skills, managing cash flow, hiring employees, sales techniques, branding strategies, and so much more. We leave no stone unturned in ensuring you have the tools you need to succeed. Learning by trial and error can be a long and costly process. That's why Build a Dream is the shortcut to your success. Our curated curriculum is designed to save you time and money by providing you with the essential knowledge upfront. With our step-by-step guidance, you'll gain the skills necessary to make informed, smart, and effective decisions for your business. Our course covers a wide range of topics essential to your entrepreneurial journey, from generating a business idea that aligns with your passion and goals, to understanding banking and tax requirements, crafting follow-up campaigns to engage with customers, setting competitive pricing strategies, creating solid business plans, mastering negotiation techniques, building resiliency and confidence, and so much more. You'll gain the expertise to tackle every aspect of running a successful business. At Ultimate Academy, we believe in practical learning. Throughout the course, we provide you with hands-on exercises, real-world case studies, and personalized support to ensure you're ready to launch your startup with confidence. We're here to guide you every step of the way, helping you turn your ideas into profitable ventures. Join the thousands of aspiring entrepreneurs who have graduated from Ultimate Academy and gone on to build successful businesses. Start your journey today and make your dream a reality.